This is where we're starting today, the end of the driveway. And all this around the side and the back. It'll be a good one. So here's before. Got our little pre-treatment down. Letting it sit for a little bit. We're gonna kill some of this algae. You can see right here. That's algae over here. So we're gonna go ahead and we went ahead and pre-treated this, and then we'll get the surface cleaner out. What's going on, everybody? So we are getting close to wrapping up this job. It's about 4:30 right now. We got started around 11 o'clock. This concrete was pretty bad. I hope y'all can hear me. We're getting close right now to being done with the driveway. We pre-treated it, we cleaned it, we post-treated it, and right now like I said, we're wrapping up on the driveway. Then we're going to go to the back patio. That's going to be a little bit easier because it's really just mildew on the back patio and mold and stuff like that, algae growing, so we're going to get rid of that. And then I'll show y'all kind of the final product. But the driveway is turning out really good. It's finally starting to dry. There's a couple little wet spots still. They're a little damp, but it's really starting to look good. Some of these cracks are still a little wet. It's definitely going to make a huge difference for this house. The homeowners actually just left to run out of town or something, but they already told me, they were like, man, it looks great, we love it. So pretty cool transforming houses and driveways and stuff like that. Just seeing the before and after. It really just, I mean, if you're just trying to upkeep your house, if you're trying to sell a house, if you just bought a house, it's great for the value of your home, for protecting your home. So yeah, if y'all have any questions, just let me know, and we're gonna keep going. So catch you on a little bit. Hey everybody, so it's a couple days later after we completed this job. It took us a little bit longer than what we thought it was going to take. It took us about 8 hours to complete the job. I originally thought that it was going to take us probably around 4 to 5 hours, but it was a lot of concrete, and even with my new surface cleaner, it just wasn't performing the way that I thought it was going to on that concrete. It's done good for us in the past, but I think I need to change a couple things on the surface cleaner in order for it to perform the way that it needs to. So it kind of slowed us down a little bit, but the job, I'm super happy with how the concrete turned out. I went back yesterday and talked to the customers, and they were stoked. I mean, they were super happy about the way that the concrete turned out, the back patio, how we were able to get all the algae and the mold off the concrete and off the outdoor fireplace. So we actually will be going back within the next couple weeks to wash their roof. And I know that some of you see roof cleaning online maybe, and you see guys up on your rooftop with a pressure washer just beating down on your tiles up there and on your shingles, and that's the incorrect way to wash a roof. If you think about hail damage and stuff like that that's damaging the granules and damaging your shingles, I don't understand how people can get up on a roof and pressure wash it with high pressure and expect it not to damage your roof. I worked at a roofing plant before I started pressure washing, and I know what goes into making shingles. I know that pressure is not the way to clean it. So there's actually ways that you can clean it with a chemical that's perfectly safe for your roof, that is low pressure, that's the correct way you're supposed to clean a roof. You get black streaks on your roof. The technical term is gliocapsomagma, is what is growing on your roof causing those black streaks. And over time, man, that can actually damage your roof. It'll start to grow under your roof, under the shingles, and it'll kind of separate the shingles, causing premature damage to your shingles and to your decking on your roof. So it's good to get that taken care of as soon as possible. We do low pressure house washing, we do low pressure roof cleaning, we do high pressure concrete cleaning. So there's plenty of ways out there to do it the wrong way. Throughout the time that we've been doing it, and the countless hours of research that I've done talking to guys that have been in the business for 20 plus years, 10 plus years, they focus on what works in this business. So we take those practices that have been proven to work and that don't damage your property. So I'll have another video out on the roof cleaning that we do. We're gonna do some rust removal at the same property. But anyways, I just wanted to get on here and thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions, just feel free to shoot us a message on our Facebook page. This will probably be up on YouTube as well, so feel free to comment. Maybe there's some questions that you have on how we did something. So leave a comment and let me know what you think. Or send us a message on Facebook. Our Facebook page is Dust to Glory Pressure Washing. You can get on there on Facebook and look it up. We've got tons of before and after pictures of houses, concrete that we've done. We also we have a part of the business where we do auto detailing, we do fleet washing, we do a lot of stuff here at Dust to Glory. And our goal is to do it to as close to perfection as it can be. We want to bring, whether it's your car, your fleet vehicle, or your house, your property, your commercial property, whatever the case is, we strive to bring it back to how it looked before all the dirt, the algae, the bugs, the tar, whatever it may be. Our goal is to get all that dirt and grime and get it back to where it needs to be, to where you can be proud of your vehicle or you can be proud of your house, and it helps the value. It keeps hold the value of your property, keeping it clean, keeping it maintained. It's just like your motor, your oil, changing your tires, keeping that machine running good. You need the same thing for your house. You need to keep your house clean so you're not growing stuff that's going to damage your house. And if you have any questions, like I said, just shoot us a comment or send us a message, and I'd love to speak with you. So yeah, guys, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.